Hi guys, and we're not playing this. That's what I played last time. I was playing that. You wouldn't get it. Anyways, here's my friend, and now he's playing brookhaven. I said I would join him, so we are loading up now into the world of brookhaven. Yeah, my avatar looks weird, but don't question it, okay? Oh, I changed it. I forgot. I changed it. I totally forgot. I know this little Slender Man is him. I haven't. No. You know what? I'm not gonna question it. He doesn't have premium. He doesn't have premium. Only I can have this gold shirt. Go to Heli. I have no idea where he went. I have no idea. I have no. Friend. Go to police. I was playing Climb 1000 Stairs, but it turns out I wasn't recording. And so I didn't realize. I didn't realize until I was finished everything. It's just too bad. Yo, where? Oh, he must have got disconnected, I guess. Anyways, yes, I did have Robux. And I flew this helicopter once before. Alright? And I like to change it to the rich one. Wait. Okay, yeah, you can't. I'll have to go at 80. Yes, mommy? Alright. Bye. And yes, I do. Don't ask. And oh yeah, right, you can't. Oh my. By the way, I always go to the max speed, which is 80. Sometimes you can go to 81, which is just broken. Okay, hold on. Is my friend online? No, he's not, so that's why he's not answering. Look. He said, do you want to be my dad? And I said, yes. And then nothing else. Oh, and yeah, you want to see past the map? Oh, with the helicopter, you can. And what happens when you jump out? You jump out the world. So, yeah. I mean, oh, zoom in. I don't know what you guys want to. Stop! Move around! Stop! 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 Want to do, but so yes, I have premium, but don't ask. Oh, with the bikes, I actually want to put a little video game. Get ready, go. Oh my, it actually says, oh my, here is me. I'm going at 80 miles per hour. Come on, let's go. Let's beat him. Come on, yes. I beat him. Uh, we just don't ask. Yo, I'm on the highway. You got me? Yeah, yeah. Oh my. Don't ask how I got this glitch. But yeah. Um, I'm gonna get me a. No, not that. Motorcycle. Oh my, stupid. Ooh. I think it's gonna. Yes, I have a limo. Don't ask how I got the money to pay for it, but you will now have a private limo. Get it? Private limo. Only boys will get it. Anyways, I know exactly where the school is, and I'm gonna pick someone up. And oh my, no. By the way, H to do that. No, I'm basically a police. Okay, let's watch them. Watch what they do. Just staying there. Shush, I'm an undercover. Okay, I'm gonna go in there. See what happens. What do you take up that card? Oh my. If you ha wait what okay, you know what? I'm just gonna walk out and yeah hey ha she doesn't know how to drive a limo. Yeah, I'm gonna put car keys and head back to my I'm kidding. I'm just stealing this. Shut drive. Haha. Okay, I'm kidding. Your private limo has arrived. Where to? Police say she speaks English. Oh, well, we should know she's Spanish. Wait. E. Wait, what? How did a prisoner get in here? Wait, what? How did a prisoner get in here? Hold up. How did a prisoner get in here? Wait, how did a prisoner get it? What? Pick him up! Pick him up! Undercover? I can't pick him up. Oh, it's because he's lagging. I can see the lag in his. Yes! Come with me. No, he jumped out. Okay, I'll leave him alone. Wait. No, it's not. Wait, no, it is this one. Wait, it's not this one. Wait, it is this one actually. Oh my, that's so late. Do you want a E? That's a new diss track I heard. Because if you didn't notice, I'm a banana. Yeah, banana. Ooh, sweet. Yeah. If you didn't notice, yeah, I'm a banana, banana, banana. If you didn't notice, I'm a banana, banana, banana. She tried to drive. No, let me disable that. I, I know you can drive, lady. So don't even. I'm just on the back of it. This is a premium car still. Hold on, let me equip my voice changer. Yeah, I'm so cool. I so cool. I so cool. Yeah, I so cool. I so cool. This is just so cool. I think maybe she watches my videos. Oh my. But she wants me to drive? Yeah, I'm lightning fast. Ooh, we're going up to this premium house, which I do not own at all, by the way. I'm just gonna come up here to get a free plot. Oh my! She disconnected or she teleported. Who knows? Am I right? Who knows? I don't think she noticed I literally had a premium car. And that I'm giving away free Robux. I'm kidding, sadly. If someone can tell me how to get those cars. If someone. Don't ask why I use this house. I'm just gonna open this and go get my car. I must have forgotten that the car just disabled. Yeah, don't mind me. Anyways, I'm gonna get an actual bike. Oh my, you could just zoom in while you're on the bike. Oh, oh my, this is so cool. It's like a video game. No, 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 no. Oh my, I fell in. No, no. Oh wow, we're way past our time. Anyways, it's now a glitch. Okay, hold on, go back. If you zoom in all the way, it's a glitch where you get off. You can do this. And if you're way past your time, I need to end the video, so bye bye.